Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago and in today's video we are going to cover 7 airdrop claims and news that happened during this week. We are in July, middle of July, so let's go directly to the content. Remember that all the links that you are seeing here that I'm going to cover are in the first link of the description that is sending you to my post. Let's go and start with the first piece of information, which is the Caldera Foundation. The ERA pre-claim period is now open, so you can go here and claim your tokens. So go here to the website, and what you need to do is, of course, down here on the right side, maybe I am above the Connect Wallet button, so just click there and be sure to do it now because the pre-claims open for 4 days and 19 hours at the time of recording. So you only have 3-4 days since I launched the video. So connect your wallet, of course use your EVM, the one that you use it to do this airdrop. And if your wallet is eligible, then you're going to see your information here, how many tokens you get. You can also connect your GitHub and your Twitter and see if you get some allocations for that. One thing to consider is that you are going to do a KYC, a verification is required to claim your tokens. So they are going to verify you using Optina. So you need to run that process in order to check your status and claim your tokens for this pre-claim. So I will put the links for all the information, but I want to say too that there has been a lot of FUD regarding this airdrop because the real users, the ones that have been using the protocol for more than 1 year, receive pennies on this airdrop, and yappers receiving a big allocation just for participating on Kaito and yapping about Caldera. So I think that is super unfair, and you can check that here on this article of Kate XBT. She explained very well why the reward for the community was only dust and a lot for Kaito and yappers. So I will put all these links. This is a shame. The meta is changing, so many people is making money on yaps and yapping, but usually are influencers and calls. So the normal user is not getting yaps, so at the end it's only an influencer's game. And you can say that sometimes that is not the case, but really is the minimum case that some user with a low number of followers on X can really get some yaps. And these yappers don't even try the application. Why you will be use the protocol or anything if you are going to be receiving the tokens anyways, just for posting spamming X. So again, I'm still not processing well all the yapper stuff and the Kaito stuff, and I really don't think that is good for the projects, but that is right now the best meta. So if you guys want to try it, please go ahead, try to yap to get some rewards. But for Caldera, it's a shame that they did this very bad and give more for yappers than real users. Moving on, we have the Rise airdrop. This is also a very expected airdrop from SunriseLayer, and there could be some rewards for TS takers, so if you are one of those, you can go and check it. Budgets art, Celestine slots, and mad scientists, NFT holders, and more. So go here to the airdrop.sunriselayer.io and check your allocation. The claim deadline is in July 14, so you need to be quick on this one. Tokens are going to become available on mainnet, and the TGE is in Q3 of 2025. So go here to Sunrise Airdrop, click on enter, and of course connect wallet, follow the steps and register here so you get your allocation on TGE event. After you follow the steps, when you check eligibility, you may need to connect your Kepler wallet if you have been staking TIA, for example, there, and an EVM wallet. So after that, you will be able to check your allocation. Hey guys, we partner with What Exchange, one of the greatest decentralized exchange right now in the market. I love that you can see everything on your screen at once. You can connect to What Exchange from different mainnets, and you can see here the list of hundreds of tokens. They are continuously adding more tokens each week. And What Exchange has an active airdrop. They are going to distribute 30% of the total supply, guys, into this airdrop. So that is why I am super bullish trading here too. You can see here the point section that they added recently, so you can check everything about your progress on this airdrop. And in trading, you can see how many order tokens you earn because they have this payback system from the fees that you pay. Part of that goes back to you on order tokens. So check the link on the description to join to What Exchange, trade on the platform, participate on the airdrop of the 30% of the supply, and also get some order tokens back. All the links are in the description. Now moving on into the hybrid checker, this was live so you can check if you will be eligible. This combines everything on-chain activity that's building social engagement and user across our products and chain. So this is the official Twitter account. The bad news, guys, is that the checker already closed it, so sorry for that, we are late on that. That is why you need to follow me at CryptoCState on X, so I will be posting that on time. So if you follow me there, you will not be missing this stuff, but at the time of recording, sorry, you cannot check anymore this. And the small update is that the token is going to be launched on July 15. There was some confusion on July 12th, but finally it's July 15th. Moving on into another claim that you can go and check right now, that is Paleo AI. The PAL token is live, so you can claim it now and start your Paleo emotional AI layer. So the claim site is here, the contract address on Binance Smart Chain is here. This is already in some of the central exchanges, so you can go here and claim. You have 9 days at the time of recording, so again, the windows are small, so don't waste any time and enter here and start signing to review and claim your PAL tokens. Other airdrop claim is the Boom airdrop. We have here the Boom airdrop claiming guide that was launched on July 8. Here are all the steps on everything that you need to do. It's a little tricky if you are not super familiar on this, but in this guide you can go step by step, connecting your wallet. Then you need to check the address information in the edit profile pop-up carefully, and if it's correct, you can connect your wallet to confirm your EVM signature, and after completing all that, you are going to be able to claim your airdrop, visiting here the foundation airdrop. So follow all these steps. You will be starting here, connecting your wallet and bind your EVM address. So I will put the links, of course, for this guide, so you can go and claim and check your Boom airdrop. Moving on into one interesting piece of information for GRVT. We have some posts on the official account that we may have some new functionality, and I think it's going to be related to GRVT strategies. This is going to be launched in July 15. We sign up for alerts, chase signals, and listen to every so-called expert advice, but the kind of wealth that grows quietly over decades still seems like it's only meant for a lucky few. Maybe the walls will break down soon. So I think for a couple of posts and tweets that they posted, that we may have seen some new functionality on GRVT from experienced traders, companies and individuals, and we may be, and this is only rumors, guys, copy some trading strategies from them. So maybe they are going to add that functionality. So stay tuned on GRVT to know more about this on July 15. And guys, remember that if you want super yield on yield farming, we have a partner with Yield Farming Coop. We launched this NFT collection on August 2024, and we have been bringing between 3 to 10% monthly in US value rewards to the users. So the only thing that you need to do is buy one of these NFTs. The price is 0.1 Ethereum. And that gives you entitled of the 10% of yield farming. So the US value depends on the market conditions, and we are always trying to get the goal of the 10%, and this Bitcoin and altcoin spam is of course helping to achieve that. So very soon we may start getting the 10% again, likely if the markets continue bullish. But in June we did a 5%, which is still a lot, surprising any other instrument on the financial world. So 5% was in June, and in 2 weeks we are rewarding for July. So get your NFT and get some passive income with yield farming strategies. Moving on, we have the Sonic Labs confirmation that the season 1 of the S token airdrop will open randomly between July 15 and 22. So you need to be ready. And they also warn that the season 1 airdrop has not been distributed, so announcements will be made only on this account, so follow the official Sonic Labs account and don't be scammed on this. We also have the Velvet claim going live, so this is for the day 1. The Velvet capital has been driven by our community. There's some explanation about the Velvet token and the V Velvet, what is going to help you to do that. And here's how you qualify for the Velvet airdrop. PBLB This earned from the Velvet application. Users earn it by trading on the app, deposit into portfolios, and referring their friends. This was also boosted by owning a Founders Club NFT, which gave some of our early supporters a daily 2x bonus on any earn. Also holding a view or staking through the Velvet portfolio of virtuals. And number 3, the Velvet Founders Club holders, who will get a share of the 1 million Velvet airdrop. So for check more information, go to the official links on Velvet. They completed the Binance Wallet IDO and the token is already live and doing very well actually in the market on many CX exchanges. In one of the links, you can see the tokenomics of Velvet to understand more the functionality, revenue, or everything about Velvet token. Moving on, we have the Theo network. The minting is live for the Theo OG NFT collection, so early depositors of the protocols are whitelisted and can mint at Theo. So go here if you are one of the lucky ones, connect your wallet, and you will be able to mint your NFT. The price is 0.01 Ethereum and the total supply is 1,500. At the time of recording, almost all these NFT are already minted. Regarding Sonic Labs, guys, they introduced the Sonic Creator Program. They are putting 100,000 S monthly for sharing Sonic stories. So if you have a Twitter and you are kind of influencer or want to just share information about them, you are going to be rewarded from this pool. This is all the things that you need to do. I will put it in my post. So the first link of the description, you get all the links. So you can submit your content and be participating on those tokens. Right now they are position 92 at 35 cents each token. So you still can earn some S tokens sharing your content about them. Moving on, if you're registered for Dymension Season 2, you can now earn diamonds with on-chain activity. Here is the link for the portal. How to earn the diamonds? Well, hold the USDC on Dymension, swapping assets on Dymension, move assets to or from rollups and collect diamonds. Stake Dymension tokens, create a rollup app or token, referrals, trade tokens, and launchpad and more. Here is all the information on what you need to do in order to earn these diamonds. So this is going to be another ecosystem airdrop. Moving on into Chainbase, they confirmed the snapshot for the Chainbase airdrop. This is one that I covered 1 year ago. So we have been doing some stuff on this. Let's go and wait for more information, but at this point, on July 10th, they posted that the snapshot was done. Moving on, Zeuz is built on Reya, an exchange chain designed for trading, and to show our appreciation, will be airdropping 1% of the Zeuz supply to holders of the Reya OG NFT. So if you are one of them, that you have the Reya OG NFT, go here to the claim page of Zeuz Trade. Basically here, connect your EVM wallet and check if you are eligible for this. And that is all the information for this video. If you want the alpha before everyone else, then you need to be in my private Discord. We also have an airdrop application that I created and I use to farm many airdrops with multiple wallets. Right now I am with 65 airdrops actively participating, and I use of course my application to be able to do all that. And my Discord, you have the alpha before everyone else about all the different airdrops. So join my private Discord, check our NFT collection for passive income, check the merchandising, and support the channel. That will be all for this video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. Put your comments below regarding the airdrop claims that you already received the tokens. And if you have any other claim and news, put it in the comments. That will be all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.